Okay, we're going to make our side walls, and we're going to make one wall, group it, copy it, paste it, rotate it, and put it in position. So we'll start with the first wall, and I'm going to start with a rectangle, start on this front left corner, and we're going to draw our 2x4 laying down. So this will be our bottom plate. And so our first dimension is going to be 3.5 comma, and then 8 feet, and enter. So that gives us our first part of our plate. So we're going to extrude this up 1.5 inches, 1.5, enter. Right. At this point, I want to group that so I don't interfere with it while I'm working on it. So I'm going to highlight just it, right click, make a group. Now we're going to draw a 2x4 for our end vertical pieces. So we're going to draw here. So our first measurement is going to be our 3.5 inches, 3.5 comma 1.5, enter, and then we're going to extrude that up, and we're going to extrude that up 4 feet, enter. Okay, so again we're going to group that. And now we're going to copy and paste that multiple times. So first thing I want to do is I know I'm going to have 2 at this end, 2 at that end, and then 1 in the same position as all of our floor joists. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to move it down here. And I'm going to move this to there. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that actually. And we're going to move that to there. And we're going to paste that. Move that down here. Move it from corner to corner. Good. So at this point, what I want to do is I want to place those, the next few I do directly above our floor joists. So I'm going to paste. Go midpoint, so it's in line with this, so as a reference, and go there. I'm going to paste that over here, grab our midpoint of our 2x4, make sure we're in line with this. So I'm going to go down midpoint and group, and paste. We'll keep doing this, paste again, Control V, paste it to there. Grab midpoint, come over, kind of hover over, midsection there, and to there. Well, we could just copy a couple of these. We only need 2 left, and we could do that for all of them. Just copy 2 and paste those in place, but since I've gotten this far, I'm just going to continue with what I'm doing. There, paste again, put it right there, midpoint, over that position. Good. So now I've got all of my wall studs in position. I'm going to group those. So you notice when I dragged across these, my line wasn't solid, it was dotted. I'm going to right click, I'm going to make it a group. Okay. Now we need a top plate and a double top plate. So again, I'm going to go back to my rectangle tool, start in this corner here. We know we're going to finish on this corner, so this is simple enough for us. That's a 2x4. We're going to extrude that up 1.5 inches, 1.5, enter. Again, we're going to go through, we're going to group so we can work with it without interfering with how it's built. Make it group. Now I need a 2x6 on top of this. So I'm going to go to my rectangle tool again, starting here, and we're going to draw it this way so it protrudes out from the side. So my first dimension is my shorter dimension, so I know I want to be at 5.5 comma 8 feet. Enter. We're going to extrude that up 1.5 inches. Enter. And now we're going to group those two together. Make it a group. And then we'll going to group all of that together. Span up, bring this up, and we're going to just group this stuff together right there. Make it a group. We're going to copy it, Control C, paste it, Control V, and I'm going to paste it right here, and I'm going to rotate it. We could flip it. I'm just going to rotate it. So I'm going to go to my rotation tool. It's over here. It should be in here. Rotation tool. Maybe it's my move tool. There we go. Rotate. Right there. It's in our move commands. And I'm going to use, just going to use this as my reference, my first reference. Second, I want to rotate 180 degrees. Enter. I want to move it now. Go back to the rotation command. Go to the move tool. I'm going to grab this front left corner here, and I'm going to place it right on that front left corner there. And now we have our sidewalls. So I'll select that, Shift, select the second one, right click, make it a group, and we're done. And then don't forget to save it. And the next time we go through this, we'll create our trusses, and then we'll go through and create our front and back walls, and then we'll start adding sheathing and stuff. So that's everything.